Hi friends, we're going to start our practice today seated cross-legged on our mat. So find your seat and then we're going to give ourselves a hug here. So you're crossing your arms one over the other so that you hold onto opposite shoulders. Blink your eyes closed here. I encourage you to make your exhales slightly longer than your inhales. Start bringing neck circles here. Change directions of your neck circles. Beautiful, come back to the center. As we transition to our tabletop. In your tabletop, your wrists are under your shoulders, your knees are under your hips. As we get ready to take a few cat-cows here. So you're going to inhale, drop your belly towards the mat, your collarbone smiles here, your gaze is forward. Exhale, you're going to round your back and tuck your chin towards your chest. Your head is hang heavy here. Do a few more of these in your own timing here. Beautiful. Now we're going to inhale. You're going to push your weight back onto your heels, stretching those arms. Exhale, you're going to come back up to your tabletop. As you inhale, you're going to push back towards your heels. And then coming back to the center towards your tabletop. And so flow this for a couple of times here. Beautiful, come back to your neutral tabletop here. Bring your left palm to the center of your mat as you lift your right palm towards the ceiling. Inhale here, exhale, thread that right arm under your left shoulder. Walk those left fingertips slightly forward As you lay the right side of your face onto your mat here, taking your thread the needle pose. Beautiful. Start to walk those left fingertips closer to the center of your mat as you unthread your right shoulder from under your left. Right palm center of your mat. Lift those left fingertips towards the sky. Inhale here. Exhale as you thread your left shoulder under your right here. Walking those right fingertips slightly forward as you lay the left side of your face onto your mat, taking your thread the needle on the other side. Walking those right fingertips closer to the center of your mat as you unthread your left arm from under your right. Coming to our neutral table here, start walking your hands slightly forward whilst melting your chest onto your mat here, taking your puppy pose here. Beautiful. Start walking your arms close to your body. Widen your knees as far as comfortable for you, big toes touching. As you glide your body back onto your heels, arms reaching forward, you melt your chest and forehead onto the mat, taking your child's pose here. And just breathe. Thank you for joining me in this quick reset. I hope you have a lovely rest of your day, and I will see you again on our next class together. Namaste.